I'm Elisa and I have been with Kärcher for 9 years. I am a team leader in the CRM subsidiary team. My wow moments are the solidarity and dedication of Kärcher employees when a crisis arises. I have a full-time job, I have 3 children, I have responsibility and I expect flexible working hours from my employer. This works well at Kärcher and it's exactly the kind of support they offer. Wow!
Hi, I'm Dorothee and I've been in the digital sales team for 1 year. Digitizing the sales strategy for a company like Kärcher and essentially helping the company as a whole through its digital transformation was naturally a very exciting task for me. Wow!
Hello, I'm Alexandra from Digital Sales at Kärcher. I would say that we have a healthy mix of processes that keep things running smoothly and agility that our colleagues bring to the table.
Wanna wow with us?